Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar, Fontaines D.C. Alright, new songs recently, and this one is called Motorcycle Boy. Nice there as well as many of the other songs. I really am a fan of Fontaines D.C. So let's take a look at this nice song here, Motorcycle Boy. We're gonna have the setup with capo on the first fret. Alright, so with that we have let's say 4 chords maybe. Let's go into the chords. So we have first the A sharp chord, and what I do here, I play a bar on the first fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And I go with the sus version because it's easier. It doesn't hurt the sound at all actually. So that's the A sharp chord. Next is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D minor as well. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E. We have A minor. And that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And we'll actually have a 5th chord. I said 4, no, we have to have F as well. And that's another bar chord. We play the bar again on the 1st fret. This time you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Now we have all the chords needed: A sharp, C, D minor, A minor, and F. And we're gonna work with just down, up, down, up, down, up. That's what's going on. And we have one pattern that is the main pattern. And besides from that, we have a chords part 3 times in the song. And that is, very easy, but it's not in the same way as the main parts. But anyway, let's come to that later. First, let's learn the main parts. So, as I said, we have just downs and ups, so no need to handle any strumming pattern in that sense. We're gonna just do down, up, down, up, down, up. So starting with the A sharp chord, we have down, up, down, up. All right, that's it. So then you shift to C and play down, up only. And then you go to the D minor, play the same there, just down, up. And then you go to A minor and play down, up for 4 times. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you shift to F and play the same 4 times of down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you end this chord progression with D minor, down, up again for 4 times. And that is 1 chord progression round. So pretty easy. We have A sharp. If you think as down, up as 1 strumming around, then you have A sharp for 2 rounds, then C 1 round, D minor 1 round, A minor 4 rounds, F 4 rounds, and D minor 4 rounds. So like this. All right. So down, up, A sharp, C down, up, D minor down, up, then A minor, F, and D minor, 4 down ups per chord there. Anyway, that is the main part of the song. And then we have the chords that happens at 3 different timestamps. The first one is 1 minute and 5 seconds in. The second time is 2 minutes and 22 seconds in. And the final 3rd time is 3 minutes and 22 seconds in. Okay. And the lyric there is, I believe, at least on the first time, you rain, I snow. Very poetical there. But anyway, let's take a look at the playing. And you're just going to continue with the down ups here. You're going to play F down up for 4 times. Then D minor down up for 4 times. And then you go back and play F4 and D minor 4. So 2 rounds of F, D minor like this. And then you're gonna end this with A minor down up for 4 times and A sharp down up for 4 times as well. So only 4 times for all of these chords. So that will be F, D minor, F, D minor, A sharp. And that's it. Then you go back to play the main part in between these choruses, and then you play them as they come. So one round of chords goes like this. And then back to main. Yeah, and you know what? Now you happen to learn and know how to play Motorcycle Boy by Fontaines D.C. Great band, great song, and if you love them, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar and subscribe to this channel. They will be back for sure. So thank you guys, and until next time, play tuned.